Hello everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. So today I am going to make Goan style fish fry. So this is mackerel, also called Bangda, which will be very tasty and it will be crispy outside and very soft inside. So let's get cooking. So for the mackerel, I have taken two mackerel here, and just because I am going to make it fry, I made the slit on top of the fish, so that the masalas gets inside the fish very nicely. So at first I am going to take some salt and apply the salt all over the fish very nicely, so it gets into the fish and also inside the fish as well. And after applying it very nicely all over the fish, I'll keep it for some time. And so guys, this fish fry, this time I tried when I went to Goa recently last month, and it was really very yummy, so tasty. It tastes very well with hot rice and dal. So tasty. So I thought of preparing at home. So for the step 2, I am going to prepare for the marination. So here I have taken 1 spoon of red chili powder, which is just medium spicy. Then I took half spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of cumin powder, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, and 1 lemon juice. So I am not going to add here any water because I don't want it to be so watery. So I'm going to mix it with the help of a spoon very nicely without putting any water. Mix. So this mixture is very important for the right consistency, because this is what makes the fish fry very tasty. So I have mixed the marination very nicely. Now I am going to apply the marination all over the fish, and please make use of your hand, because with the spoon it doesn't get into the fish properly. So apply all over the fish, in between the slits also. Flip the fish, and this on one side apply the marination, and also on the other side, also inside the fish, all over the fish. You should marinate the fish very well. So this marination will tell how tasty the fish fry is going to be. So I already finished applying on one fish. Now I'm going to put it on the other fish. So please make use of your both hands and apply the marination very well all over the fish. So guys, this marination is very important. So I applied all over the fish the marination. Now I'll keep it aside for 10 minutes. Now I am going to prepare for the coating. So as this is going to be a very crispy fish fry, so I am going to coat it with 2 spoon of semolina or rava, 1 spoon of rice flour. Then I am going to add here 2 spoon of red chili powder, half spoon, and half spoon of turmeric powder, half spoon of cumin powder, and half spoon of salt, and mix this marination very well. So this marination is very important, because this is what will make the bangda or the mackerel very crispy, and it will be crispier outside, and inside it will be soft and juicy. So mix it very well with the spoon. Now I am going to apply this coating of semolina mixture and rice flour mixture all over the fish very nicely, and press little bit with your hand so that it gets sticks all over the fish. Do it very nicely using both your hands all over the fish. So I have already finished one, and now I am going to do the second fish as well, all over the fish very nicely. So guys, this you must be eaten many types of fish fry, but this fish fry is a must try, because Goan fish fry, Goan, they eat lot of fish, and their preparation of fish curry and fish fry is different, and it is must try. It's very tasty, and so we should always try different culture, different tradition food. So I always do that. So after I returned from Goa, I immediately made this bhangra fried at home, and we all loved it. So now the coating is over, so we have to fry the fish immediately after you do the coating. So here the fish is, I'm going to fry is shallow fry, not deep frying. So I do not need more of oil, just 2 spoons of oil. And once the oil is been heated, I'm going to fry the bhangra or the mackerel. So I just put it in the pan. The oil got heated. So fry it in the medium flame, guys. Otherwise, it tend to get burned because there are a lot of semolina and rice flour. Also, make sure that the pan which you are using that has a thick bottom so that it does not get burned. So fry it in the medium oil one side and flip it on the other side. Fry it very well in the medium flame so that it gets fried crispier outside with the coating and very juicy and soft inside. So see, the fish has been fried very nicely. It has already become golden brown. So now I am going to take out the fish. So the fish is already ready, and it doesn't take, unlike meat, fish does not take much time to get cooked. So it has, and it's very important that the people who eat non-veg, that we do eat fish as well, because fish is one of the thing which has lot of omega. So see guys, this crispy mackerel fry is ready. It is looking so yummy and so tasty. You can garnish with some onion and a tomato.